We are going to get this ninth Global Health Summit started, and we are very fortunate that our chief guest is here. I'd like to invite Dr. Ravi Jagirdar and Mr. Jayant Banthia to please escort our chief guest onto the stage for the lighting of the lamp. To tell us more about API and where API is headed and this story about Global Health Summit and India engagement, it's my pleasure now to invite the president of API, Dr. Ravi Jagirdar. Please give him a big round of applause.
API is the largest organization in USA after the AMA, and it's a very simple statistics that 1 in 7 patients in American is treated by an API physician. That is the depth of this organization. And the question always comes, what are we doing here? Well, everyone knows that you can go away from India, but the Indian still remains in you. And there is a little shloka which says, Janani Janmabhumi Sarvadabi Gariyasi, means it's the mother and the motherland who is even greater than heaven. And what you're looking at is a group of persons who have nothing but a love and passion for their motherland. And that's the reason why you're seeing them come all the way here and wanting to do something for that.
Well, it's my proud privilege and a very opportune time when we are kicking off this convention, this conference, to introduce the first citizen of the state of Maharashtra, Honorable Governor Shri Vidyasagar Rao ji.
I'm indeed delighted to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to India and to the city of Mumbai, which is the gateway of India and financial capital of this country. Mumbai is proud to be the host city for 9th edition of the Global Healthcare Summit organized by API. It fills our heart with pride every time we hear about your contributions and achievements in America's health sector. I want to assure you of the highest level of cooperation and support from Maharashtra in your endeavors. With these words, I take great pleasure in declaring the Global Healthcare Summit open. Thank you very, very much.
You know, this is a tremendous opportunity for all the dedicated members of API to welcome you. I'd like to now request the president of API, Dr. Ravi Jagirdar, to formally welcome you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure today because in spite of a tremendous schedule, which is tight by minute, by even half a minute, he's taken the time to come and meet with us. That's the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Fadnavis. Please give a big hand.
I take this opportunity to welcome you all in this magnificent state of Maharashtra. And I'm happy that you're holding this healthcare summit in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. So all my greetings to you. I'm happy to know that API wants to establish a trauma care center, and we would be happy to assist you in that, to locate the place, to find the place, and in any ways which you require, state government would always be happy to assist you. I welcome you all once again, and I thank you for inviting me to such a wonderful summit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shri Nadda ji, for taking the effort of coming here to Mumbai. He was actually to go from Delhi to Chennai, and he stopped by just for our function. And I'd like to give him an applause for that, you know. We really thank you for doing that. We are here with our passion. We are ready to help. We want you to help us and enable us to help also the people of India.
First of all, I welcome you all to your own motherland, India. On behalf of my party, on behalf of Government of India, and on behalf of the people of India. It is indeed a matter of great happiness for me to be here amongst all of you, the distinguished people representing the medical fraternity, not in India, but throughout the world. Such distinguished gathering is sitting in front of me, and I've got an opportunity to speak a few words with you. In India, as we know about the health issues, under the dynamic leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, we want to change the health scene of the country. India wants to have an assured access to health, affordable, high quality health care. That is our plan which we wish to go ahead. You are the best judge where you can fit in, where API can fit in, where as an institution you can fit in, where as an individual you can fit in. All areas are there. It's for you to decide. It has been really good to talk to you. Thank you very much.
We have some surprise winners. Dr. Disha Sharma. The third prize winner, Dr. Devang Odera. And the second prize winner, Dr. Kritika. And the first prize winner, Dr. Ayush Gupta. 1,000 rupees.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I thank all of you, each one of you, for coming here today. This is the third CEO forum that API has done in India, and I think I know some of you have been there before. And what has happened initially, we started off with a healthcare CEO forum and a hospital CEO forum. But pretty quickly we found out that there are a lot of things which are common, and I think the yield is actually improved or even enhanced by the presence of the others. So although there are topics which are inherently placed for each section, we feel that just by coming together, there is more neuronal power, as you would call it, in this room, which may help every one of them. We are going to meet the health minister on the 6th of January. So we have to come up with the ideas here. That's all we have in time. And we take that, we take to the health minister, and keep moving forward from here.
We are here today to present or introduce two initiatives from API. The first one is the one for hepatitis. The second one will be the unveiling of our initiative for the head injury and trauma that will to follow. Now I would invite Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji to present a little award to Jayan Barve in view of his work that is done and with the hopes that he will continue to do that for a long time to come.
It is indeed an obvious fact, whether we are white, yellow, brown or black, whether we are 29, 46 or 95, we will never get out of this life alive. However, you need not be very smart to wish to die a wise old fart, rather than to be hit by a truck, be crushed by a rock, or suffer from an electric shock. And so one day I wondered why India has the highest number of TBI, and if we could have a meeting and become better at preventing, transporting, and treating, the majority of people we called were positively respondent. So a meeting was called and convened in New Delhi to discuss injuries of the head, the spine, and the belly. The Maharaja of Jodhpur took the lead, and the Maharaja of Bollywood said yes indeed.
Coming down to India and expressing your love for the country, for your roots, and wanting to do something for the people, wanting to rid many of us, millions of us, from some of the disabilities and the diseases that prevail. I am quite certain that with your expertise and with the skills that you possess, we shall be able to eradicate most of what you have come here for. And I'm quite certain that with the kind of help and the expertise that we have on hand, and with the kind of backing, and hopefully with my involvement as far as my face and my voice is concerned, we shall be able to handle the other program that you have brought here, and that is of hepatitis. Here is an example in front of you who is suffering from hepatitis B, and I have had it treated, and I'm thankfully in some kind of a remission. Just want to say that if proper care, if proper detection is done at the right time, there is a treatment for it, and it can be cured. My support for these campaigns is without doubt. I have committed myself to the doctors that come and met me, and as I said earlier on, if my face and my voice can be instrumental in propagating this campaign any further, I am there for you for any other campaign that you may desire. Thank you so much.
4 things were done with this workshop: the awareness and prevention, the pre-hospital care, the in-hospital care, and the rehabilitation. These 4 will be handled through integrity, through love, through diligence, and through discipline. We will achieve these 4 things.
I would like to start with thanking Babji, Your Highness. Thank you for being here, and we will definitely be working on TBI. Whatever we can do, we will definitely work very hard and make it a multi-year project. And thank you, our beloved Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. Thank you for giving us your face, your name. We do have 2 big partners with us. Abbott, Mr. Sudarshan Jain, who is here, and from Medtronics, Mr. Omar and the team. So they are our 2 big sponsors who are helping us with this project. So thank you so much, and thank you all for coming down.
Global Health Summit was a concept that came up about 10 years ago when we recognized that API, which is American-based organization, was trying to look out for something in India, what the needs are and which way we can really be of help. And so the policy has become always to look at the need-based and then come back and try to get the best global specialists and authorities to give the best for the people of India at an affordable cost and universally. We are launching 2 major projects or initiatives. The most important one is the TBI, which is traumatic brain injury. The second initiative is to matter about hepatitis B. So these are the 2 initiatives that API has launched this year.
In this Global Health Summit, besides TBI, we had CEO Forum, which was today. CEOs of different companies were there. We are going to bring up certain things which we would like the Health Ministry to be doing.
This conference is meant to do some changes and to revise the policies of the healthcare industry.
API is organization representing in US over 100,000 physicians of Indian origin and about 30,000 medical student residents and fellows.
The physicians of Indian origin who settled in USA or other countries, they learn different techniques, different technologies, and they want to see how they can be used in their own motherland.
We have achieved a lot of new initiatives. We have the Brain Trauma Foundation for hepatitis and other exchange programs relating to diabetes and all. We are working for workshops.
2015 January was for the first time when API
was able to connect over 20,000 observers or visitors to the webcasted sessions. All the scientific sessions were webcasted for the first time, and 22,000 people logged in. And it was a great achievement for API and for the medical community. Be a part of our 10th year celebration in Delhi starting January 1 to January 4th, 2016. It will be a historic conference. We will address major issues. We have made significant advances, and we hope to reach further heights in addressing the challenges faced by the people of India in addressing and making access to affordable and quality healthcare a reality for all people of India.